Hello there. Let's dive into using layers. Layers in a floor plan can store additional information that the user can turn on or off. Layers may represent dimension lines for the room dividers or partitions, no build zones on a floor plan. To create a new layer, simply click on the Layer Manager in your toolbar. You will see the module open on the right-hand side. Now, to create a brand new layer, just click on the plus button. I have my cursor on this button, as you can see. It's the plus sign. As you can see here, this now created a new layer. From here, if you double-click on the new layer, you can now type a new name for your layer. And just click Rename. So let's take these tables and put them on my new layer. Select all the tables and click on the Move Selection button. I have my cursor on this button, as you can see. Now, let's just move these tables onto my new layer. This will place the selected items onto our chosen layer. So how about we do this once more, so you become familiar when working with layers. To show or hide layers, click on the associated checkbox. Should you need to lock a layer so items cannot be moved on the floor plan, click on the padlock icon. This will lock layers. One last item, you can move the order of your layers by clicking the arrows on the right, as you can see with what I'm doing now. Alternatively, you can just drag and drop to move the layers. While many users don't have a necessity to use layers, it's a super handy feature.